Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video. And in today's video we will be checking out the Tarmac Works RWB 930 Painkiller version 2, which I have mentioned in my previous video. And in today's video we will be checking out the Painkiller version 2, an awesome casting that Tarmac has ever done, if you ask me. 930, similar to the body kit that was on the Stella Artois, but this time it's the 930 Painkiller version 2. Now, yeah, it is in this awesome looking metallic red, which I like. So it does come with this cardboard sleeve, of course, paper sleeve for the acrylic case. Tarmac RWB 930 Painkiller version 2. Hobby 64, this is the old Hobby 64 logo right here. Does say Tarmac Works, Tarmac for good. Oh yeah, here's the front of the car, and here's the back. Over on the base, over on the bottom, Tarmac Works RWB, small size big heart, RWB 930 Painkiller version 2. Rohwell Begriff, official licensed, made in China, and there's your barcode right there, and there are your socials. So let's open this up. Oops. But yeah, forgot to mention, around the background right here, it does say Rohwell Begriff RWB right there. Very cool. So card, yeah, there's the card. Serial number card. Tarmac Works, Rohwell Begriff, there is your socials. Over on the back, you have that, and then RWB 930, your chassis number, and 1835, which is nice. Then let's take a close look at the car here. Without the acrylic. Here's the car, nice looking RWB 930. Bought this off from a reseller, very nice looking casting. So, oops, I can add this to my collection, aside with the Stella Artois. Yeah, Painkiller version 2, a very nice looking model. So yeah, it does say RWB right here, and with a black stripe, and then you do have RWB text over on the side in white. And yeah, you do have a gray stripe as well. Love the red base as well on this one. So yeah, it does have the double spoiler, just if you're wondering, over in the back right here, a very tall looking spoiler. So yeah, let's unscrew it and put it on our turntable. So this is the Painkiller version 2. Painkiller version 1 was released many years ago, 2019 or 18, I think. The car was quite rare, if you ask me, since it's a Bangkok auto saloon, I think, special edition, and yet not many people managed to get their hands on. Very rare, meaningly. So there is the car, RWB 930 right here, metallic red with a touch of what's that, gold stripe I think, and also black. It's nice. I'm not sure whether the Painkiller version 1 was a RWB 930 as well or not, but anyways, this one looks fantastic. Reminds me of the Stella Artois, the Southern Cross, but yeah, this one is basically the red version of those. So I'm not entirely sure where is this located at right now. Of course, this is a car built by Nakai again, the RWB 930. Awesome looking model. Love the color, the metallic red on this one, with the blacked out rims, the Eilers tires again. The double wing as well looks fantastic. Really do like it as well. Love the details on this car. It is simply unique if you ask me. A very, very interesting model made by Tarmac Works during the time. I'm not sure what year was this released. Is the after the 2020 era? Should be 2021, maybe 2022. I'm not entirely sure. So quite an old one as well here. So yeah, let us take a close look at our RWB 930. So here it is, metallic red paint job on the RWB 930. So yeah, you do have 5-spoke rims with the disc brakes right there, which is nice. I'm not sure what are the colors of the brake calipers, but yeah, it does say idlers right there on the tires. Oh yeah, rubber tires by the way. Blacked out rims. Yeah, you do have the aggressive wide body kit on this car, of course, with the rivets on the car, which is nice. You do have this fender spoiler, they say. I'm not sure. Right there on the fenders, which are nice. Painkiller right there over on the black stripe, which is nice. Blacked out door handle. You do have rubber side mirrors, I think, or plastic, I'm not sure. In red, which is nice. Here is the front. Yeah, you do have a Thailand license plate. I think this should be a car that is in Thailand, or maybe owned by RWB Thailand, I'm not sure. Yeah, a very nice one right here, metallic red. Circular headlights right here, transparent. Then you do have the white color Thailand license plate right here. This say 930, I'm not sure what does that say. Front grille detailing right there. You do have the I forgot what are these called, never mind. You do have the extended front splitter right here as well. Don't know what does that say, but yeah. Long hood, Porsche logo right there. Regular windshield tint, blacked out interior, that is left-hand drive. Does say raw weld on the windshield right there, and it's also in silver, which is cool. Nothing on the roof, nothing on the rear window right here as well. Here's the other side, just if you're wondering, pretty much the same. Now over on the back, you do have these vents, which are nice. You do have the double wing right here on the back. Don't know what does that say, RWB, and some other stuff on the side of the spoiler. So from red turns to matte black. And yeah, you do have the double wing. What does that say? Renault Riv, I think. I'm not sure on the rear spoiler. So yeah, it does say RWB beneath the spoiler right here. Rear lights and also the brake lights as well. RWB 930. You have your, I guess, your exhaust tips over on the bottom. One on each side, which is nice. Plastic base. Old Tarmac logo. RWB 930, made in China. Overall very nice. So yeah, love to have the RWB 930 in the collection. A very nice looking model made by Tarmac, and I simply just love it. A wonderful car to collect. Depends on the price though. Some prices are quite crazy for this car. The last time I checked, I bought this at around 150 Malaysian ringgit that time. It was unsealed, yet in a good condition, so managed to buy it. Roughly nowadays, I think this car would cost, not sure, but I think it should roughly cost about 300 to 400 Malaysian ringgit if you ask me, for the RWB Painkiller 930. Just quite crazy if you ask me. Yeah, by the way, Painkiller is just the name of this car, how it's called. For example, the previous one was Stella Artois, and the purple one was called Rotana, RWB Rotana. This one's RWB Painkiller, but it's the version 2 because yeah, I actually don't have the version 1 with me, so I cannot really show it to you guys. But yeah, the version 1 is pretty I would say pretty rare if you ask me to get, and hard. But yeah, that is all for my review of the RWB Painkiller version 2. Let me know what you think down in the comment section down below about this RWB Painkiller. And yeah, there you go, that is my review. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See you in my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.